Alright guys, so we're going over an app that actually pays you just for scrolling through videos, and it's really simple to use. It's a really good app, so make sure you guys go ahead and stay tuned for the rest of this video. Let's get right into it, guys. Let's go. Hey, what's up everybody, welcome back to another video. Also guys, if you're new to the channel, make sure you guys go ahead and smash that subscribe button down below for me. Thank you guys so very much. And yeah, let's get right into today's video, guys. So this brand new app I'm talking about, I'm sure you guys have heard it before. It's called Zyn. Now if you guys don't already know what it is, it's a really good app that you guys can use for phone farming, or in general just making some money just by watching some videos. And guys, this app was actually recommended to me by Hectic Fly, so make sure you guys go ahead and check out his channel. Link is in the description for you guys. Go ahead and subscribe to him, and yeah. And with that being said, let's actually go ahead and jump straight into today's video. Let's go. Alright guys, so the app we're using is called Zyn, and if you don't already know what that looks like, it is right here, as you guys can see. Just a black background with a bunch of yellow lines, I guess. Oh, and also just throwing it out there, if you haven't already downloaded the app, make sure you guys go ahead and use that link in the description, because that will actually get you guys a sign up bonus. You'll get an extra $1 just for signing up, which by the way, you can actually cash out instantly because the minimum cash out is only 30 cents, guys. So going over to a phone farming phone, as you guys can see right here, we have Zyn downloaded right there. All we have to do is open it up, and it'll look something like this. Now this app is somewhat like TikTok, I guess you could say. Not really, but I mean, you earn money from it. So basically how this works is you're going to go ahead and continue watching a bunch of random videos that will pop up on your feed, and every time you watch a certain amount of videos, you'll get rewarded with points right here, as you guys can see. So you're only rewarded every time this circle is filled. So basically guys, the more videos you watch, and yes, you will have to swipe it, your meter bar, or whatever you want to call it, will eventually fill up, and it will stop right there, as you guys can see for this video. So we're gonna have to go ahead and actually swipe, and it will continue earning. Now every time this circle fills up, you will actually be able to get more points. As you guys can see, it's just a random amount of points each time. Now if we actually go over and get to our cash out section, as you guys can see right here, you guys will be able to see right here we have 3,200 points, which we can actually go ahead and convert them into actual cash, guys. So if we go ahead and convert that, you guys can see right here, if my phone will stop lagging, there we go, we got 32 cents to actually cash out, which is not bad whatsoever. So we're gonna go ahead, and if my camera will focus, come on, and there you go guys, my camera finally focused on this redeem button. As you guys can see, all we have to do is click that redeem button, and oh great, there we go. So we got minus 3,200 points. Now after redeeming, we will actually have 32 extra cents, which is not bad whatsoever. And I only ran this phone for roughly about 1 to 2 hours, so not bad at all for a phone farming phone. Now as you guys can see, we can actually withdraw this to PayPal or redeem a gift card if you guys are in the USA. Speaking of which, this app is only available in Canada and USA, so if you guys are not within those following countries, this app will not be available to you. So that is basically the app, guys. If you don't already know, this is how Zyn will work. If you just keep scrolling, you'll just eventually, you know, continue earning points. Now this app is great and all, but what's the point if you can't phone farm with it and get passive income? But if we can get this app to run passively, now we're talking. So guys, don't go anywhere yet. This video is not done. I just explained to you the basics of this app. Now if you leave now, you'd be, you know, scrolling like this for the entire time. But if you guys stay, I can show all of you guys, yes, all of you, how you can use this simple application to make this run totally passively, 100%. Well, as long as your phone doesn't crash. Either way guys, let's jump right into it. Hopefully you guys decide to stay around, because you will boost your earnings a lot. Let's get into it, guys. Alright guys, so hopping over back to my personal phone so that it's not as laggy and you guys can see things more clearly. You guys will see that I have an app called Auto Swiper for gamers. And yes, link is in the description for you guys to also quick download that. Yeah, you're gonna kind of need it. So yeah guys, go ahead and download that app onto your phone farming phone, whichever device you're using. Now once you guys gone ahead and actually installed this app and set it up, it's very simple. You just have to enable a few settings, which it will guide you through. What you guys want to do is actually go over to the swipe target, and once you hit that, it will actually bring up this little tab right here. And on this tab guys, what you want to do is actually set your delay to around 10 seconds. Leave the number of repetitions on default, which is 1, and click save. Now once you guys gone ahead and did that, right here you'll see a taskbar. Now you might actually experience this, I don't know if it's for all of you guys, but you might be able to see a little circle right here, which you don't really want. So press that minus button on your screen to get rid of it. And now we're ready to actually get this started. So go ahead, hop back over to Zyn right here. And what you're going to do is actually click this little squiggly line, if you guys can see this S looking shape one. Press that and your screen should go a little bit gray. From there, just go ahead and imitate a swipe. And just start from the bottom of your screen and drag all the way up. Now as you guys can see, there's a giant orange line going across our screen. Now to activate this scrolling motion, all you have to do is press that play button like so. And there we go guys. So now this will continue to earn us some passive income. Now the reason why we set it at 10 seconds is so that it will pause before swiping every 10 seconds. And that will give us some time to actually watch the video, or so-called watch the video, if you know what I mean. So there we go guys, that's how we can actually start earning some passive income. All you have to do now is actually plug in your phone. That was a weird gesture, but basically guys, plug in your phone, leave it be, and watch that money come in. Simple as that. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you guys did, make sure you go ahead and leave a subscribe down below. Very appreciative if you would. And yeah, I'll see you guys all in the next video. Until then, thank you guys so very much for watching. I'll see you all in the next video. Until then, thank you guys so very much for watching. I think I already said that. Peace out for now.